Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is going to be a full face of Revolution makeup. If you have watched my channel in the past, you will know that I am completely and utterly obsessed with Revolution makeup, and I only just realised today that I pretty much did have enough to do a full face. I just really like their products. I mean, I am not made of money. I know a lot of people maybe that can afford a lot more expensive things. I mean, I do get more expensive things, but when it comes to affordability and being able to buy like a lot of things instead of just having to save up and buy one foundation or one lipstick or something like that, then this is the brand that takes the biscuit for me. Their stuff is pretty much always consistent, it's always good. The only thing I'm a little bit iffy about is their lipsticks, but I've only ever tried these ones here, so I'm yet to try their liquid lipsticks and things like that, and generally I do prefer a liquid lipstick. But yeah, I just really love all of their products. So yeah, so if you're starting out in makeup, if you're on a budget, if you want really good Christmas presents to get people, go over to the Revolution website and have a wee look. Their postage is really reasonable. I just can't say enough good things about the brand. No, this is not sponsored. I wish it was, but it's not. Everything that I use, I've bought myself. Everything that I kind of say about the products, I really, they're all my opinions. But yeah, I'm going to stop rambling now. So if you want to see how I did this look and see what kind of Revolution products I have and how they perform, then just keep watching. If you enjoy it, I would obviously love if you would give this video a thumbs up for me. Subscribe to my channel and click on that little bell, just because YouTube think that it's great to have another step to get to see my videos, but whatever. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so hopefully I will see you guys in the next one.
Well, hi. So I'm not going to try and explain everything I'm doing to the letter because I'm going to have to ramble on and on and on in this video. But this is really self-explanatory. I'm using pretty much all of the products that I love from Revolution, which is pretty much everything that I'm putting on my face right now. Conceal and Define Foundation, Conceal and Define Concealer, love them both. If you haven't tried these, go out and try them. I swear you will not regret it. Well, I mean, it might not work for you like it does for me, but it's worth it. It's only £9. Here, I will explain myself. This stick foundation is really good for contour, but just get the right shade. This one looks really orange on me. I made it work, but yeah, just kind of do better than me with shade matching. This little palette is actually a little gem. It's got really good contour shades, it's got nice banana powder shades, under eye brightening shades. It's just a really good kind of all-round palette. And then this that you see me using right now is a little bit like a dupe of the ambient lighting powders. It's not quite as good, but it does the job, and it's really inexpensive. If you've watched my channel before, you'll know that I love that blush palette, so enough said about that. I realised I don't have a highlighter. I'm going to have to sort that out right now, but I used one or a shade from the Jewel Collection eyeshadow palette and it worked just fine. So yes, moving on to the eyes. I'm not doing anything special here. I'm using 2 shades from the palette to build up my crease. I will pick up a card in just a second and define the kind of outer corner a little bit just to get that sharp line to give a sort of winged effect. Then I'm going to go in with one of the shimmery shades. I'm not really cutting the crease, I'm just placing it on the lid and a little bit higher because I have hooded eyes. And I'm putting the same shade on my inner corners and then finishing up the look as I would any look. Then I'm picking up their pomade. It's not really a gel liner, but it works as a gel liner. I love these. They come in all different colours and they're awesome. Mascara. This thing is clumpy. Just be careful with it. Wipe off the excess and you'll be fine. I cheated. I don't have Revolution lashes. Shh. Then to finish up, I just threw on a lippy. I will list everything that I used in the description box for you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.